All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to part one of a pretty special video. There's a far shot of the garden, by the way. It's nighttime. Everything's perked back up. Getting a reprieve from the sun, which was absolutely devastating today. And it's like not so much the sun, man. It was just a really humid day. Like, it's still humid. Like, I may be able to see some water on my arm, but I don't know. My face is definitely sweaty. But it's been like this all day, just soupy. I like the dry heat because, of course, like, who wants to walk around having to change shirts like 4 times? But I keep coming out here as I can't stay away. And this is why. So I was going to do this tomorrow. I made an announcement, but let's just go ahead and do it tonight. This would be a pretty easy job. So what you're looking at are banana pups. They're twins, right about the same size. I got 2 grow bags for them, already picked out, already full of dirt, good dirt. And I'm going to cut up some kind of compost, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But what this is part 1 of the video, just announcing what we're doing here. And in part 2, I'll have them separated. I got to go grab a knife and separate them. I guess instructions, I should say, how to do this. So what pups are offshoots or suckers, basically a clone of the mother. It's the exact same thing. They'll produce the same fruit. And bananas, when they fruit, they die. You get one harvest and it'll die. And they push up pups, just to preserve the banana DNA. That specific species or whatever, it wants its lineage to continue because that's the way nature is. But, yeah, I'm about to separate them and put them in pots. And they share a root system right now, so you got to be really careful. The way I cut it, I'm basically going to cut this in half. This circle is going to become a, what's half of a circle, like a crescent? Anyways, whatever it is, half a circle. I'm going to cut, it's going to be a really hard job, hard incision. Like, I'm going to cut right by this. Like, they're really close to the mama. And it's going to be tough. I hope there's enough root down there because I'll be very, very sad if I cut into that and it's hardly anything. But I got faith. They've been growing pretty well with the mother, so it's probably a pretty robust root system down there. Anyways, I'm about to go get the knife, cut this off, and next time you see them, they'll be in their own pot. Anyways, see ya. Be right back.